Quick question. Are you spending too much time calculating commissions using Stripe data? If yes, let's fix that. Today I'll show you how to automate your commissions using Sales Cookie, an AI-powered platform with a native real-time Stripe sync. First, activate Sales Cookie's native sync using the link below. Once it's on, your Stripe data flows in automatically. Next, let's build your commission plan. Go to Plans, add a plan, answer a few questions, and let the AI plan designer do the heavy lifting. For this example, I'm using a built-in template with cumulative tiers and percentage payouts. I'm going to name my plan an AE commissions plan. It's a monthly plan using Stripe's invoice effective date. We're measuring performance of individual AEs, and Stripe already includes an AE field. There are no splits for this plan. We have 3 cumulative tiers that are quarter-to-date attainment. It's a revenue-based plan with percent thresholds. Our Q1 goal is the same for all AEs. Let's make it 250,000. Our tier 1 is up to 100% of goal, tier 2 is above 100%, and tier 3 is above 150%. All AEs have the same payout rates of 1%, 2%, and 3% for each of the tiers. With that, a plan is created, and Sales Cookie shows us a clean visual summary. But let's go ahead and run a test calculation for January. In under a minute, Sales Cookie will analyze all Stripe transactions, credit the right AEs, apply all rules, and even generate commission statements instantly. If an AE was logged in, they can see their latest commission statement with their attainment to goal. They can visualize, sort, graph their sales and commissions data. They can reorder columns, export data, run real-time searches. In fact, they can submit inquiries and track resolution directly from their dashboard. They can view their payouts and toggle between different commission statements. They can use the built-in AI assistant to answer any questions they might have. So for example, here the AE is asking for a summary of their January commissions by customer and product, and the platform is going to show them very quickly both tabular and graphical format their data. Are your plans a bit more complex? No worries. Sales Cookie can handle advanced rules, flexible logic with full transparency. Ready to automate your commissions? Book a one-on-one demo or start a free trial today. No credit card needed. Thanks for watching. Bye.